guys? This is Corey from OMP. No affiliation with any gang, but Oil and Peaches. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got too much going on today. It's hot as hell. Car read 103 degrees earlier when I was coming from the pawn shop. But right now we just chilling. What's been going on? I'm still saving money from parts because I don't make a lot of money, and I got a son. So yeah. But parts are coming soon for the Genesis. What else is going on? We're supposed to be working on the car soon. But it is hot, and I feel what he's saying on that. I don't feel like doing too much of nothing either because it's hot as hell. What else? Bro's going to FL2K. That's why we gotta get his car ready. So definitely look for him down there. I don't know if I'm going, but I thought about it. So yeah, I'll keep y'all posted on that. What else? I don't really think we really doing too much. If we do something, it might be spur of the moment. Like I said, I'm trying to save for these parts because Jen's been sitting just too long, man. So try to go ahead and get that squared away so I can get back on the road in that joint. I'm also saving for something else. Y'all will see what that is soon. But yeah, that's another thing. But this is another face that y'all have seen on the Oil and Peaches channel. Excuse me, I dropped keys. And he is going to be featured on there a little bit more, but this is my son. He's gonna need the speed right now. His name is Dakar. So yeah, y'all will see him on the channel a little bit more. I'm trying to get him a channel going for his Legos, but he always taking them apart, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. But we'll see. We do need subscribers. We appreciate the views, but in order for us to be able to, use funds to fund our channel and fund things that we want to do for you guys and show you guys and get equipment and all that stuff, those subscribers are needed as well. So hopefully we'll make something that make more people want to subscribe. If not, just give suggestions on what y'all think we should do as a upcoming car enthusiast media group brand that's looking to bring y'all coverage of different car events and stuff that's going on. Different things that we could do as a brand and a family, to make the channel more interesting. Just drop some comments. That's what the comment section is for, man. Let us know what y'all like. Let us know what y'all don't like. Just let us know. You know what I'm saying? Because what we don't know, we can't really, improve on. But definitely drop your comments in the comment section. Another thing that I know we're supposed to do, we're supposed to go to Colorado. So I don't know if that's still going to happen, but that is something that we plan on doing. So hopefully we can get everything together to make that happen. And we're actually supposed to go produce some fire. If it happens, y'all see it, but I don't want to talk about it if it's not set in stone. So just stay tuned, man, because we got stuff coming. We got things that we plan on doing for y'all. Just definitely, like I say, stay tuned, and that's it for right now, man. Check y'all later. About to chill out and watch some YouTube and see what's going on. Peace. remember this bad mama jammer from the track, don't you? Sweet tea ass Lee Blady. But check this mother freaker right here out with the BBS's on it. Woo! Got the BBS's. Look at the wheels. Carbon fiber lip. Look at it. Oh, baby. You see it? BBS's. Motorsports. What's the bugger?
Hit it. You heard the man. Don't be no bitch. Fuck yeah, you got some blow by?
Just a little.
A little?
Yeah, just a little.
Oh,
it's up to the roof?
The Exxon Valdez had a little.
Just a little bit of love kisses, that's all it is.
2 weeks, 3 days of rain, whatever. 4 days of rain.
Sitting in the heater pipe.
I know you from the side.
Yeah.
What
I'm just glad it went back. It's too fucking idle.
Marrow gonna be able to it'll be able to make it out there, right?
Oh yeah, no, it's got a 20-gallon filter.
Hey man, hold up, man.
It drives.
It's a street car.
What? Yeah, no, it's got.
Street car.
Hey, I've seen a lot of.
It's got plates, insurance.
We got people talking about coming with half-filled blocks.
It runs on E85. I mean, it's a car.
I'm just glad it gets running.
I don't know.
Yeah,
You got on it yet?
But it's
You gonna get on it?
probably when I go home.
What you doing tomorrow? I heard it come in.
Probably either going to try to test fit a condenser on this or finish bolting up the few things I got to bolt up on that.
The track. You missed it yesterday.
My
Buddy's F10 blew up at the track.
chewed up the whole block.
But it also depends because my mom and dad might want to go, so I'll probably just hop in the Jeep and take them.
Motherfucking grease.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, the priest is here. He's going to want his redemption.
You know what time it is, cuz. You know what time it is.
Jay, you already know what time it is.
Oh, with the pineapples.
What are those? Oh, bro, you ready?
Oh, killing them.
Speaking of,
Oh, he killing them. Oh, boy. Yeah, you in a video.
I'll give you a little sneak peek.
for real?
I'll give you a little sneak peek.
Hold on, I'm saying that boy, yeah, right, brother.
Oh yeah.
I've been waiting for you to post it.
Oh,
That's a good question.
Oh, you some of the. Oh no, I got the other one. I just have to redo it.
I honestly don't know. I don't even know where my child is.
Check the croc game out. This is a preview, y'all ain't even supposed to see this.
It's a long intro.
I like that intro. Hey, hey,
Let's start the video.
saucing
off
on
like
him.
that,
What's
boy.
up, bro?
I'm
All right.
telling you.
I'm just gonna keep it myself.
Oh shit, my hand's full. That's
Yeah.
all y'all get.
Hell yeah. What's up, bro? I feel you, bro.
Where's my dog?
Don't try to get you introduced to her.
Yeah,
Y'all
her.
can link up and do some croc shit.
Hell yeah, bro. Big things coming on the way.
Facts.
What you been up to, bro?
What's up, dog? I think we go get some footage.
I'm sorry, Gracie. Grace. Camera. Come here now. Sorry.
No, you good.
You on the floor yet? Or you still?
Sit down. You are recording. This is what I have in my hair. It's Gracie. Hey, Corey. I'm not a hoe. Sorry. Hey, it doesn't pull like a hair tie. I don't know too much about my hair. This, I can just grab it.
That's a girl.
So they have like a class at the end, huh? And so the class would just be two.
Hey, she just didn't want your feet in the cold.
Oh, Gracie's. Yeah. Ever gonna use them, but I got
He said, "Oh, what?"
in my FabFitFun box, and I used one the other day, like
Go with stepdad.
Shower or something about it.
Go with stepdad.
I was still in your seat until you come back.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
Were you guys next to me on the Gore Highway? Y'all waved at me?
Huh?
Somebody waved at me that looked just like Tori in the car. I thought it was you. Somebody pulled up and like it was two adults in the back and they were like,
Therefore, you know it wasn't me. Ain't nobody in my backseat.
no, it wasn't an RSX. It was an SUV.
Oh, no.
So I thought y'all were dropped. I thought y'all were going somewhere else. Is it on?
It's on.
She went to hang out with the other girls.
Someone told me about that yesterday.
My hair is fucked up now.
I see.
I did it for no reason.
Found the dog.
Huh?
I found her.
And she's attached to me. If you didn't know that. She's attached to me. It's my dog now.
Yo, I'm chilling.
I got my hair.
The fan is right here. She feels the fan. She's like, I ain't going too much further now.
So why do you want to be so I get paid?
Why is it straight on the ground?
Look at this. Nice and perfect.
See, go back that way. You know Leandre.
I said if I was pregnant, my I gotta go clean.
I want to take Leandre pull up the shoe in.
You already did. That's him.
Chassis, these big saw blades like Mad
Seen
Max.
this earlier.
What's up, man? I didn't even recognize you, man. You showed up looking clean cut as a motherfucker. Like,
What's up, man?
how you doing, man?
Chill.
You know, they grow back, dude. Don't worry about it.
You see this big box for you?
This your truck?
No, that's
Like half an hour.
Oh, this was you I seen earlier.
Where?
You hitting switches? Why you ain't hitting switches?
Thing's static, cuz.
Come on, cuz.
the fucking.
Well, that's the goal. You only have to be in front now.
Y'all seen that fuel
Like you're
cell
still
though?
bottoming out, huh?
Y'all seen that fuel cell though? You got a whole fuel cell.
That's what my
It'll
shorts
barely
are for.
touch
You can't, like, you can go first.
I can't tell what you're getting, if it's the wheel or what. No, it's
Third.
oh, no, it tucks. Oh, I guess sometimes.
Can't put in the gas, ain't gonna drag a hole in it.
Maybe $3,000 in parts on it. Shit's overrated. It'd be badass.
I put run on farts.
I got $50 in it.
What's up?
What's up? Y'all doing
Those
good?
changes. I'm gonna try for a better number tomorrow.
Oh, what you did?
Downsize from the 235s to
Oh.
225 50s.